The Juno Genetics GeneSeeker test is intended to help identify couples who are at an increased risk of passing on an inherited condition to their children due to having defective genes. About 1 in 300 births is affected by an inherited condition. When this occurs, 80% of the parents who have these children affected by an inherited disorder never understood that they were carriers of a gene defect. These mutations to genes remain hidden. We're completely unaware of them because you only have a problem if you inherit 2 defective copies of the same gene, one from the mother and one from the father. We can use the GeneSeeker test by Juno Genetics to actually identify couples who are at increased risk of having affected children. It identifies what genes we may carry with mutations in them. And we can then look at our partners and see whether they have these mutations in the same gene or not. It can be particularly useful for couples who might be using a gamete donor. If they're tested using GeneSeeker, it will often be the case that they find that they are indeed carriers of a mutant gene. That won't be harmful for them or for their future children, as long as the gamete donor selected for them doesn't have a mutation in the same gene. GeneSeeker uses the very latest genetic technologies of next-generation sequencing and a variety of supplementary tests in order to deliver the highest accuracy in terms of identifying couples or patients and gamete donors that would be at risk of producing children with an inherited disorder.